Okay guys, we already got the transmission put back in the truck. We're ready to go. I have been driving it this week. It's been driving really well, shifting really well. But I want to go ahead and give you guys a walkthrough video so you can go ahead and see me actually, shifting through the gears and getting things going. So let's go ahead and get started. We got first, this goes right in. And we're gonna go directly into second. Yeah, so with that, you guys can see, I rebuilt this transmission myself in my garage. It only cost me $800 to rebuild. I didn't have to, pay $2,700 to get a rebuilt transmission. And I'm satisfied. So if you like this type of content, remember to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.